Hello everyone, in this quick video I'd like to show you something actually disturbing. And no, I'm not showing you the old Microsoft Edge. It's something different, and it's not the first time. Before we start, I want to thank Patrick for finding the sample and a working link leading to it. Let's go ahead and navigate. Freeburningtools.com is telling us to download image burn. Well, we can click on the link to start our precious download, but first, I'd like to bring your attention to the date on the footer of the website. It says 2015, but the file was last updated on June 16th, 2013. So we already know if it's malware, it's gonna be a gem, since middle 2010s were riddled with fake installers and bundlers. And the most efficient way to check is to just download and run. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, what's that? So we are downloading image burn from a CDN at Lavasoft. Now that's suspicious. And wanna know why that's important? Lavasoft is the company behind Antivirus, or maybe just Antivirus before rebranding, so I can even prove that to you right now. We go to lavasoft.com and it redirects us to Antivirus that claims they made their best antivirus yet. Here's Malware. It doesn't matter anyway. What matters is that an antivirus company that is still in business is storing suspicious files on its CDN, because I'm pretty sure you would not download from freeburningtools.com. It's not even the name, freeburningsoftware.com with dashes. I myself would not trust that site. But here we are downloading from Lavasoft. Perhaps that's a trusted source, so let's go ahead and save the file. The security scan is running. Oh, didn't find anything. Could that be a non-malware? Let's verify. Oh, it does not look promising at all. Whenever you see a publisher that's called numbers, this is not good. And yes it is. It is, in fact, a fake installer powered by install core. And here we got all the optional offers that we can decline or accept, doesn't matter. Whatever, we can close it. We don't care about the contents of that installer. I got so many videos on my channel exploring install core and generally installers of that kind, so if you want to know more, you just can watch other malware videos on my channel. You'll likely find install core. Anyway, main problem here, Antivirus is not the first antivirus company to store malware on their behalf. That's a rather disturbing trend that started maybe in 2021. At least back then I found Norton and McAfee pushing adware to trying to scare users into buying their software. Click on the card if you want to watch it, I'm gonna put like a preview. Besides, a user on Twitter not so long ago showed an adware pop-up from McAfee on his machine.
And that's the worst example of adware I've ever seen. From an antivirus company indeed.
That was also, you guessed it, trying to scare a user into purchasing their software. But nothing beats an antivirus company just outright spreading viruses from their CDNs. H2O CDN, lavasoft.com. Lavasoft leads to adware. How about H2O CDN.lavasoft.com? Any output? Okay, we get access denied. This, my friends, is an atrocity, and I've got no other words to politely describe it. So next time you're to choose your anti-malware, I strongly suggest to skip adware, because if a company behind your anti-malware spreads malware across other computers, and if I recall correctly, also is involved in malicious installers as an optional offer, maybe, just maybe, it should not be trusted. Draw your conclusions and take care.